Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I'm working my way through some sound-based type-in programs for the TI-99/4A home computer that appeared in Home Computer Magazine, Volume 5, Number 6. This program is by Scott Williams. I'm going to go ahead and read the brief program description and then get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator that emulates a TI-99/4A in a modern PC. Type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. This program is called Hiccup. Program number 4 incorporates 2 noise types and all 3 tones to produce the type of sound you might expect to hear if your computer had the hiccups. The first sound you hear is a high-pitched hic. Line 110 generates the sound by setting the noise channel to -8 and setting the third tone at a frequency of 20,000 Hz. Voice 2 is used at a low volume to add a little tone color to the hic. There's a little more description up top here. The second sound that you hear is a lower frequency. To achieve this effect, we specify the fixed pitch noise of -7 and mix it with 3 tones of 330, 337, and 380 Hz. We have specified a positive duration to create a distinct break between notes. The sound lasts for the entire length of the duration, then ceases completely before the next note is played. Okay, let's get to the program itself, Hiccup. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here to make this easier on everyone's eyes. I can see it quite clearly, but you guys might appreciate it if I zoom in a bit. There we go. Very short program, only looks like 9 lines, 10 lines. Let's go ahead and get into Classic 99. Let's make sure we don't need Extended Basic. No, looks like just regular Basic will be fine. TI Basic. And let's start typing. 100 remark hiccup. 110, call sound. Okay, looks like 40, 110, comma, 30, comma, 440, 10, and 20,000. 440, 10, 20,000, comma, 30, comma, -8, comma, 0. 30, comma, -8, comma, 0. Let's double check that before we move on. 40, 110, 30. 440, 10, 20,000. And we've got 30, -8, and 0. 30, -8, and 0. Looks good. Okay. Line 20 for TD equals 1 to 25. For TD equals 1 to 25. TD is a time delay loop usually. 130, next TD. 140. Another call sound. 30, comma, 330, comma, 0. 337, 0. 380, comma, 10, comma, -7, comma, 0. Okay, so same thing. Let's double check that before we hit enter. 30, 330, and 0. 337, 0, 380, 10, -7, and 0. Okay, that looks good. 150, call screen 1. 160, call screen 16. 170. For TD equals 1, 2, RND times 500 plus 300, RND times 500 plus 300, oops, excuse me, 500 plus 300, there we go, typos, 180, next TD. So this program will just keep on hiccuping, I believe, until we stop it at random intervals. 190, go to 110, just like a real hiccup. 190, go to 110. Okay, let's take a look at the program, make sure we didn't make any typos or syntax errors, math errors, anything of that sort. So 100, rem hiccup, looks good. We checked line 110 already. 120 and 130 are just the time delay loop. 140, call sound. 30, 330, 0, 337, 0, 380, 10, -7, 0. Looks good. Call screen 1, call screen 16. For TD equals 1 to RND times 500 plus 300. Looks good. Next time delay, next TD, 190 go to 110. That looks good. Let's run it and listen to some random hiccups. I like the screen flash when there's a hiccup. That's what it's like, right? Oh, I can't concentrate. That's cute. That's all this program does. It's a hiccup program. I love these kind of random wackadoodle programs. Like, you know, Scott Williams, whoever you are, you took the time to write a hiccup program. I love it. How 1980s is this? The screen flash is a nice touch. I really like that. I mean, it's equally like an uh-oh program, but yeah, it's interesting. There really are some subtle notes to that hiccup sound. A little bit of dissonance in that second sound. Well, there you go. That is Hiccup by Scott Williams from Home Computer Magazine, Volume 5, Number 6. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, please check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI 99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, same thing, please check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching on Twitch, please do check out my Twitch channel. Excuse me, if you're watching on YouTube, check out my Twitch channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which itself was a little nod and a tip of the hat to my favorite modern game, World of Warcraft. If you happen to catch me streaming live, feel free to say hi in the chat and or participate in any way you see fit. And in any case, I appreciate likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video with more TI Basic and TI Extended Basic type-in programs. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.